The production process of KFC French fries in a factory. The journey of KFC French fries from raw potatoes to the crispy, golden delight we enjoy involves a meticulous and carefully controlled factory process. Every step is executed with precision to ensure consistency in taste, texture, and quality, maintaining the high standards expected from such an iconic brand. Here's an in-depth look at how KFC French fries are made in a factory, from the sourcing of raw materials to their packaging. It all begins with the selection of the potatoes, which is a critical step in the process. KFC partners with carefully chosen farms that specialize in growing high-quality potato varieties, such as Russet or Innovator, known for their starch content and ability to crisp up well when fried. The potatoes are harvested at their peak to ensure they have the right size, shape, and moisture content. Once harvested, they are transported to the factory in climate-controlled vehicles to preserve their freshness. At the factory, the potatoes undergo a thorough inspection. Advanced sorting machines equipped with cameras and sensors evaluate the potatoes for size, color, and any imperfections. Potatoes that do not meet the strict quality standards are set aside for other uses, while the selected ones move to the next phase of the process. Quality assurance teams ensure that only the finest potatoes make it through this initial step, as consistency is key to delivering the signature KFC experience. After sorting, the potatoes are washed in a series of high-pressure water systems to remove dirt, debris, and any residue from the field. This step is crucial not only for cleanliness but also for ensuring a smooth peeling process. Once cleaned, the potatoes are passed through a mechanical peeler. The peeler uses abrasive rollers or blades to remove the outer skin without damaging the underlying flesh. The peeled potatoes are then rinsed again to eliminate any leftover skin fragments. Next comes the cutting stage, where the potatoes are shaped into their iconic fry form. A specialized cutting machine slices the potatoes into uniform sticks. This is achieved by forcing the potatoes through a grid of sharp blades at high speed. The uniformity in size ensures that all fries cook evenly, resulting in the perfect balance of a crispy exterior and a fluffy interior. During this stage, any broken or uneven pieces are separated and removed. The freshly cut fries are then blanched, a process where they are briefly boiled in water or steam. Blanching serves multiple purposes. It removes excess starch, which can make fries overly soft, and helps achieve the desired texture by partially cooking the potatoes. The blanching process also ensures that the fries retain their vibrant golden color during frying. After blanching, the fries are rapidly cooled to halt the cooking process and prepare them for the next step. One of the defining features of KFC French fries is their light, crispy coating. This is achieved by applying a batter mix to the blanched fries. The coating typically consists of a blend of wheat flour, spices, and a few proprietary ingredients that give the fries their distinctive flavor and texture. The fries are tumbled in this mixture until evenly coated, ensuring every piece has the same iconic taste profile. The coating process is carefully monitored to maintain consistency and avoid clumping. After coating, the fries are partially fried in hot oil at a controlled temperature. This pre-frying stage locks in the flavor and gives the fries their initial crispness while ensuring they are not fully cooked. The oil used is carefully chosen for its high smoke point and neutral flavor, ensuring that it does not overpower the taste of the fries. Once pre-fried, the fries are quickly cooled again to prepare them for freezing. Freezing is a crucial step in the production process as it locks in freshness and extends the shelf life of the fries. The pre-fried fries are passed through a flash freezer, where they are exposed to extremely low temperatures in a matter of seconds. This rapid freezing process prevents the formation of large ice crystals, which can damage the texture of the fries. The frozen fries are then sorted and weighed into predetermined portions for packaging. Packaging is the final step before the fries are shipped to KFC outlets. The frozen fries are packed into airtight, food-grade bags that are designed to preserve their quality during storage and transportation. Each bag is sealed and labeled with important information, including the production date, batch number, and cooking instructions. The packaging process is automated to ensure speed and accuracy, and every bag undergoes a final quality check before leaving the factory. Once packaged, the fries are stored in cold storage facilities at the factory until they are ready for distribution. The logistics team coordinates the shipment of the fries to KFC outlets worldwide, using refrigerated trucks to maintain the frozen state during transit. At the restaurants, the fries are stored in freezers until they are ready to be cooked and served. This entire supply chain is designed to ensure that customers receive the same high-quality product no matter where they are in the world. The process of making KFC French fries is a fine-tuned combination of technology, quality control, and culinary expertise. Every step, from selecting the raw potatoes to freezing and packaging, is carried out with the utmost care to deliver a product that lives up to the KFC name. This meticulous approach ensures that every bite of KFC French fries is a crispy, flavorful delight that perfectly complements the brand's signature chicken dishes. Whether enjoyed as a side or a snack on their own, these fries represent the culmination of an expertly engineered production process. Have you ever wondered how KFC's crispy, golden fries are made? From farm-fresh potatoes to the delicious side you can't resist, there's a whole world of science and precision behind it. In this video, we're taking you behind the scenes of the fascinating factory process that makes KFC fries so iconic. Stick around to see how they go from potato to perfection. Let's dive in.